I will punish. This is an order of 2015. There is a suggestion from the court that in the meanwhile, let no officer receive salary. The courts are useless if judicial system has no meaning.
Kumar versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Shri Sailen Kumar Singh.
Lord, we have filed additional so cause. My Lord will please to see. Now grievance has been almost only my Lord kindly see my Lord the order, the prayer we have made, that we have now his file has been reconstructed and my Lord amount has been worked out about 6 lakhs. Out of that 1,20,000 was already paid. Today we are paying him my Lord 2,80,000. And further we are requesting the court to permit us to pay within 1,50,000 we have paid his provident fund. Now the only amount is now further to be paid. The other check I have brought below 2,80,000. Further below is 2 lakhs. We want at least 2 months time for installments. We'll pay him. We are giving undertaking to my Lord.
So which post was he holding?
He
The
was
petitioner?
class 3, holding class 3.
Class 3.
Yes.
And for payment of 2 lakhs, you will take 2 months.
No, my Lord,
No. There is a suggestion from the court that in the meanwhile, let no officer receive salary.
2,80,000 रुपया,
No,
2,80,000 रुपया आज हम दे रहे हैं.
आप आज दे रहे हैं 2,80,000 रुपया.
मुझे 1,50,000.
You are obliging him.
No.
1,50,000 you have already paid. You had obliged him. 2 lakh you will pay after 2 months because you are not in a position to pay.
27 लाख रुपया पर महीना हम लोग को पीएफ देना पड़ता है जो गवर्नमेंट टाइप का बाकी है. थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस है इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं. हुजूर को नहीं हो तो थोड़ा कम टाइम भी दे दिया जाए.
Whatever. If the petitioner agrees, then only. Otherwise, I will proceed.
My Lord, there is no
You can convince the petitioner.
no calculation chart, my Lord. There is no calculation chart, my Lord, in the.
When was the order passed?
My Lord, the order was passed. He was dismissed by when, my Lord, the board was being run by, my Lord, the government under supersession. My Lord's order is of 98. He was, and now my Lord's order is 6/4/2015.
I will punish. This is an order of 2015. This cannot be tolerated.
Then, my Lord,
This is of 2015, Mr. Giri.
my Lord, the LPA remained pending till 2018.
All right.
Yes.
So we are in 2022.
वो
Was there any stay of the order
जो
of
भी समय
2000?
उचित समझा जाए, रिमेनिंग 2 लाख का जो भी टाइम उचित समझा जाए.
No time. No time. 7 years is not enough for you. There is a question of time.
Not 1 week time being given. 1 week time being given.
What for?
For remaining payment. Within a week we will pay to that another 2 lakhs.
And what about the contempt already committed? Even if you implement it today, Mr. Giri, you have committed contempt of court intentionally.
That we have explained.
Yes.
That we have explained.
Yes, this is deliberate disobedience. So even if the order is complied with today, the court will not let you off. It is not now between you, the petitioner and the court. It is between you and the petitioner, your client and the petitioner and the court. The petitioner has no role now for the purpose of the charge of contempt.
Lord,
You have the audacity to just hit over an order passed by the High Court.
Lordship will please to see.
Let him let him be convicted. The charge is, the contempt is established. Contempt of court is established.
My Lord will
Now we have to consider the sentence, part of sentence only.
My Lord will be to consider 2 aspects. this is a liability of the, while this was in the government management, my lord. Vishkuman was not, my lord, the present management was not there.
Mr. Giri,
My lord,
this order of 2000 was passed in 2015. Whether the order was ever modified?
no, my lord.
Did you apply for modification?
No, my lord.
Did you apply for extension?
No, I only went for appeal.
You
and
went
after
for-
appeal, my lord, there was an order. My lord is aware that according to the seniority, but of course, my lord, this will not cover, my lord, the order where the specific order has been passed by the court. So therefore, my lord, we have explained our financial crunch, and my lord, the records were not available of my friend how to calculate his dues. We have calculated 6 lakhs and odd has come. My lord, I have already paid, my lord, and then plus 1,50,000, my lord, we have paid.
You may make your submission. I am convinced.
So this is the position.
Whatever point you want to submit, you may submit.
Well,
Disobedience is established.
Let me first pay him. Let it come. Let me first pay him the entire, the remaining 2 lakhs also. Then I'll again, my lord did not drop the proceeding. These 2,80,000 he should receive today, and my lord, within.
No, but today is the time, is the date fixed for framing of charge. So I will be frame the charge.
My lord, I was just only requesting your lordship to let, my lord, the entire order be complied first. Then, my lord, I will file, my lord, on the purpose of, my lord, charge, my lord.
Likho. In compliance of this court's order dated 11/5/2022, the Managing Director, Bihar State Cooperative Marketing Union Limited, is personally present. First off, the matter was fixed today for framing of charge of contempt of court against him for intentional disobedience of this court's order passed more than 7 years ago on 6/4/2015. Next, it is an admitted fact that till date the said order of this court dated 6/4/2015 has not been complied with. Next, Mr. Y.V. Giril and Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of the, what is your name?
Ram Pratap Singh.
Ram Pratap Singh. क्या लिखा है? उसमें जहाँ पे लिखे हैं सो एंड सो मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर राम प्रताप सिंह, वहाँ पे लिख देना इस तरह से. Mr. Y.V. Giril and Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of the contender, has submitted that the contender intends to comply with the said order in shortest possible time. First off, a plea of financial crunch which the Biscoman is facing has been taken to justify the delay caused in full compliance of this court's order. Full stop. Next, list this case on 29/6/2022, on which date the contender shall be required to be present again. You can give him, Likho. It is noted that a check worth rupees 2,80,000,
No, 2 lakh, check of 2,80,000.
80,000 has been handed over to learned counsel for the petitioner by the Biscoman, by Mr. Giri, learned senior counsel in the court itself, senior counsel for the Biscoman in the court itself. Yes.
Okay. हुजूर सब बिहार गवर्नमेंट 12 साल कोऑपरेटिव को रख दी।
Mr. Giri, that is not the question. The question is that the fellow was dismissed. He was dismissed, and I have seen the manner in which the proceeding was conducted against him, and the order of dismissal was passed. In that background, there was direction for
हुजूर ये
payment
सब
and everything.
पुराना है, सब पुराना टाइम का है जब गवर्नमेंट चला रही थी।
All right.
It's not within our.
Yes, I will not proceed against him only. I will proceed against all the managing directors, right from 2015 to 2022. Don't worry.
No, 2050 से तो हम ही लोग हैं।
किसी का रहे.
जब
The
dismissal
order
हुआ,
was the order was passed in 2015. Whosoever has not implemented the order will have to face the consequences. Each and every managing director
Lord,
of
I
the
will show
Biscoman,
how difficult
not
it is.
only him.
I'll show.
Yeah, the court will not punish him because today he is the managing director. Yesterday someone else was the managing director. Before him there must have been some other person as the managing director. Everyone will be
I'll
punished.
give me Lord overall picture, Lord. I'll file an additional.
Contempt of court is a very serious matter,
My Lord,
Mr. Giri. Defiance of a court's order puts a question mark on the functioning of the system.
Lord,
the
orders are passed for obeying. Lord, quite see.
The orders are passed not for obeying. It is under the constitutional scheme
Yes.
that the court's order are to be implemented. If they defy, then they puts the question mark. And what is the purpose of existence
No,
of
that's right.
the institutions like court?
That's right.
When the orders cannot be implemented, what impression will the litigant carry? In whose case the order was passed in 2015, that the courts are useless? If judicial system has no meaning. So in that perspective, I will consider.
I give my Lord.
Yes.
Only thing I
29.
will try to explain the position.
Yes, yes.